Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What? Do you want me to call the police?
I'm gonna give you something to follow.
Do you want me to call the police?
Call whoever you need to call, because I will run your ass the over. You're not gonna keep following me. You don't know me.
Okay.
I didn't have a stop sign, did I? Okay, Garmin, save video.
Idiots! Somewhere on that field. Holy fuck! You what the f? What the f is this guy doing? What the f you honking for? What you mean what happened, bro? It's a yield sign. Oh, you got a yield. I almost crashed into you. Yeah, because
what are you talking about?
I ain't
about. What do you mean I crashed you?
It's a yield, bro. You just gotta yield. It ain't that hard.
What if I do?
Shit, what's it? I got a dash cam, bro. What are we talking about? It's all on camera. It's all on camera. The f you mean? Shit.
What are you doing, dumbass? Look at that. You're both f***ing idiots.
I hope you enjoyed being on YouTube, you douche canoe with your burnout brake lights.
And said, one's in PT Jeff, the other in LA.
UX, and we built this company's fortunes are built on a UX of a phone.
Oh my god. Dude. Yeah, you didn't even have any turn signal on. Nope, sure didn't. Jesus.
Reproduce and manage to make it happen. Silence for a second.
You successfully bred astrophagia.
Okay, Garmin.
Got a ring on God, I'm ready to double the age. I'd rather do that than let a Canadian could make Pac turn in his.
What? Dumbass?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.